in the azure expanse of the Pacific Ocean. The scattered islands that dot its surface are not only home to rich cultures and unique ecosystems, but also face a critical juncture in their pursuit of food security and agricultural prosperity. Today, we turn our attention to the future of sustainable agriculture in the Pacific region, exploring how innovative and environmentally friendly practices are carving a path forward, while also delving into the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, and the indispensable role of green technologies in ensuring long-term agricultural viability. The Pacific Islands, with their diverse terrains and climates, have long relied on agriculture as a cornerstone of their livelihoods. However, traditional farming methods are increasingly under strain. Rising sea levels, a consequence of climate change, are encroaching on fertile coastal lands, salinizing soil and rendering it less productive. Erratic weather patterns, including more frequent and intense cyclones, droughts, and floods, disrupt planting seasons and damage crops. In addition, limited land area and a growing population put further pressure on the already scarce arable land. Yet, in the face of these challenges, sustainable agricultural practices are emerging as beacons of hope. One such practice is agroforestry, which combines the cultivation of trees with crops and livestock. In many Pacific Islands, coconut palms, breadfruit trees, and other native species are being integrated into farming systems. These trees provide multiple benefits. Their deep root systems help stabilize soil, preventing erosion in the face of heavy rains and strong winds. They also offer shade, reducing water evaporation from the soil and creating a more favorable microclimate for understory crops. For instance, in Fiji, farmers have noticed that by interplanting taro with coconut trees, the taro yields have increased, as the shade keeps the soil cooler and moisture during the hot tropical days. Another promising approach is aquaponics. Given the abundance of water surrounding the islands, this closed-loop system that combines aquaculture, fish farming, and hydroponics, soilless plant cultivation, is gaining traction. In an aquaponics setup, fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, while the plants filter and purify the water for the fish. This symbiotic relationship not only maximizes resource utilization, but also reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. In Samoa, small-scale aquaponics systems have been set up in local communities, allowing families to produce their own fresh vegetables and fish, enhancing food self-sufficiency. Green technologies are playing a pivotal role in accelerating the adoption of sustainable agriculture. Solar-powered irrigation systems are a game-changer. With ample sunlight in the Pacific, these systems harness solar energy to pump water, providing a reliable water source for crops even in remote areas. This is especially crucial during dry spells when water availability is limited. In the Solomon Islands, solar pumps have been installed in several farms, enabling farmers to irrigate their fields more efficiently and expand their cultivation areas. Precision agriculture technologies are also making inroads. Using sensors and satellite imagery, farmers can monitor soil moisture, nutrient levels, and crop health in real time. This data-driven approach allows for precise application of fertilizers and water, minimizing waste and maximizing yields. In Tonga, some progressive farmers are using mobile apps linked to soil sensors to receive instant alerts about their field's conditions. They can then make informed decisions about when and where to apply inputs, saving costs and reducing environmental impacts. However, the journey towards sustainable agriculture in the Pacific region is not without obstacles. One major hurdle is the lack of access to capital and technical expertise. Many small-scale farmers struggle to afford the initial investment in green technologies and the training required to operate them effectively. Additionally, the remoteness of some islands makes it difficult to transport and maintain agricultural equipment. Another challenge is the need for policy support. Governments in the region need to develop and implement policies that incentivize sustainable farming practices. This could include subsidies for adopting green technologies, providing training programs, and establishing research centers to further explore and adapt agricultural innovations to local conditions. Despite these challenges, the opportunities for sustainable agriculture in the Pacific region are vast. The growing global demand for organic and sustainably produced food presents an export potential. Pacific-grown coconuts, vanilla, and kava, when produced using environmentally friendly methods, can fetch premium prices in international markets. Moreover, sustainable agriculture can contribute to ecotourism. Farms that showcase unique agroforestry systems or aquaponics setups can attract tourists interested in experiencing local food production and learning about sustainable living. In conclusion, the future of sustainable agriculture in the Pacific region is a tapestry of challenges and opportunities, woven together by the threads of innovative practices and green technologies. By embracing agroforestry, aquaponics, and leveraging solar power and precision agriculture, the islands can enhance their food security, protect their environments, and even tap into new economic avenues. It is essential that governments, international organizations, and local communities work together to overcome the hurdles and unlock the full potential of sustainable agriculture. Let's look forward to a future where the Pacific Islands thrive as models of sustainable food production, ensuring a bountiful harvest for generations to come.